Alright, YouTubers. We're trying to leave. Finally had some nice conversation with camper neighbor as I was trying to leave. But I don't complain. It's good to talk to people. Alright. If all goes well, we're heading back to where we just was. Come on, Ben. I'll move that so you can make it. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, Ben. Come on. You coming down? You gotta get off that dash, brother man. There you go. You can do it. Hi, Keek. Well, you're on my headrest. Oh, God, everybody needs to find a spot. Keeky's in the litter box. You just went twice, Keek.
Sometimes you gotta drive, sometimes you gotta herd cats, sometimes you gotta herd cats while you're driving.
There's some big bike ride thing going on. So yeah. Oh, Keek, yeah. That does stink. I emptied the litter box, and of course I came back to a few nuggets. Apparently she wasn't done. You done now, Keek?
But as I said before, cats don't bark.
At least we got a full tank of gas and we don't need to stop for gas. This is such a pretty drive. That can come out of the windshield and go with all the other garbage. I know. I've tried to vacuum this out a few times, at least once a week, but it's still become a mess in here.
If you travel with pets, that 1 gallon shop vac is maybe your most important thing. I'm not going to show you too much of Marquette.
Alright, back down by the lake. The sun is shining on great big Lake Gitchigumi. I know, Keek.
1/4 mile, turn right.
This is Pete and repeat the last couple days. To Marquette, went to Munising, went back to Marquette, going back to Munising. That's a sign that the trip is drawing to a close.
Turn right.
Yes, oh boy.
Continue on route.
Continue on route. This should be Munising for a day, one night, maybe two. Depends how I'm feeling. And then back to St. Egg.
I just really like this section of shoreline.
It's just so pretty right along in here. And I don't know if college has started. It is August. If, again, I'd be surprised if this gets posted by August. But once I got back from Canada, a lot of the stuff was repeats, so those videos won't be as long and as many videos at a place. You know, when I was at those provincial parks, I did a lot of different things, and I always try to keep things topical, and I know far too long. My videos are always too long. And so I end up with a lot of videos. Every now and then I try to do a day in the life kind of thing, but this trip is over 6 weeks now, and I met, when I was in Ontonagon, I met up with a local who became a friend, who teased me before and teased me again. 6 weeks, my folding chair has not come out. I have not put my folding chair out anywhere. Because I don't sit by my RV. I'm always doing something. And then, you know, I don't want to share any drama on YouTube. I don't want pointing cameras at my face and all that stuff that's actually popular. I like more of the travel channel as opposed to the reality channel. But I end up making a lot of videos. But still, my chair has not come out yet. I've sat on a picnic table here or there a few times, sat on a rock, you know. But I'm not a sit by the RV kind of person. And even when I do a campfire, usually I sit at the picnic table for a while, you know. Now, if I'd been places that didn't have a table, I probably would have brought the chair out. But it doesn't matter how you do it. It doesn't matter how I do it. Just do it. Whatever you want. As far as we know, we only get one of these there lives they talk about, so you do it the way you want to do it.
Turn right and turn left.
Alright, you've seen this stuff. Alright, welcome back to Christmas. Fingers again crossed for free. Free is good for me. It's about noon. There were days here where it was almost full at noon, so I hope I didn't wait too long.
So instead of boring you with the drive all the way to Christmas from Marquette, we just jumped to Christmas. It was already pretty full by noon, so I parked this way, but I ended up turning around and parking properly.
We made it. I don't know how this will do like this, but it's raining again, and we got thunder and we got lightning. I bring the rain, but today's free, so there's that. Not paying to camp in the rain.
Here's some soft pitter-patter of rain. If you're not interested, jump to 15 minutes in the video.
It's coming down now, Vinny. Don't get in front of the camera. YouTubers, a lot of people in California, they don't get to see enough rain. Not that I've seen the news. I don't know if California's been getting any rain. If it stops raining, I'm going to go in the casino. Maybe you don't want me to gamble.
And yes, I know this is a parking lot. Obviously from the video it's a parking lot, but it's also free power, so you decide.
Alright, we're going to take this out. It's out. I'm going to try something a little different. That's where this is going. Here. Okay, that's rain. If it starts thundering and lightning, ding ding, I'll try to record that because I know some people like that stuff. Oh, one more thing before I pause. It's kind of disappointing because I think it's supposed to be a good moon and planets viewing night and I think meteor showers and all that. So the sky needs to clear up. Come on, rain, go through already. You're as chill as ever. That cat is so chill. Vinny, you're tense. I can tell you're tense. I know. You're alright. Everything's fine. Alright, I'm going to turn the GoPro off. Yeah, I don't need to make fun of you on GoPro. You try to be a tough guy, but you're really not. Alright, YouTubers, right there probably doesn't look all that appetizing. Did the light help? That's leftover chicken, and I melted some cheese on it. Hold on. And some shredded lettuce. See, shredded lettuce. And, hold on, some tortilla chips. There was onion in there, too, underneath the cheese. Hold on. Sriracha, drizzled like a restaurant would do. No silly smiley face. And gonna make this into a wrap. That's a good way to do leftovers and to go to a place where you don't want to take your grill out in a parking lot, you know what I'm saying? And the great thing about leftovers is if you make enough, you can have 2. Maybe even 3. Great and wonderful day. Alright, YouTubers. That's Grand Island. Zoomed in as much as I can. That's where I took the little boat out and rode the bike all the way around Grand Island. It's pretty big. Well, it must be about 10 miles long. Alright. The boat ride's pretty short. If you get up here, I suggest you do that. Makes for a pretty good day. And those cliffs, those are the cliffs you can see. Those are pretty cool. It's good to be back at Free in a way. It's not great to be back in a parking lot, but Free's good. Ended up being quite a bit of rain. That's a big lake. Clouds look pretty cool. Cars are coming along the road. And Kawhi Casino Christmas outside of Munising.
All right, YouTubers, hope you enjoyed. This was pretty much a full day. And yes, this is parking lot camping. Have a great and wonderful day.